guys, it's me Pauline. Back with another video. As you can see by the video title, we're making some matte slime. So we got some cornstarch in here. Well, I ordered this offline and it actually is cornstarch. So, and we have our PVA glue already mixed in. I just used the strip glue. And yeah, so we're not going to add all of it, we're just going to add like a few teaspoons. We want it to be like really matty and stuff. I'll probably just leave it now. No point. And then we're just going to stir this up. It's going to make like this really thick paste. It's going to make some kind of oobleck. Hopefully it doesn't make Play-Doh. It's making Play-Doh. If you don't know what Play-Doh is, or you should know what it is, I'm just going to mix it really fast over here. Alright, since we have that sorted, kind of, we're going to add in our bicarbonate soda, which is just a pinch. Stir. I'll try to at least. Because I want this to make slime, and it will make slime. So now we're going to put our setting color on. In. Just going to stir that up. And I don't know when this is ready. It's kind of a really thick paste. Okay, it's activating because it's getting really thicker. And yeah, and it's probably just gonna go moldy soon because it has flour in it. But it seems really thick. Makes a decent slime. It's sort of like oobleck and stuff. It's very sticky though. Okay, we're gonna do some ASMR, but first we have to grab it from our bowl and we're just gonna knead it. It kind of looks really disgusting now, but we're just going to knead with our hands because it's getting better. Like it's stretchy. Oh. Does it poke though? It's okay. This is the kind of finished product, but it has these like, it's so thick. I wasn't expecting like it to be this good. But dude, this is actually like butter slime. Should I put it? Will it stick to the shader on there? Oh my god, this is actually like butter slime. I have Daiso clay, but this is different. Oh my god. We're gonna do a comparison to butter slime. This is actually butter slime. I mean, it's probably gonna go moldy But, dude, it's actually just cool. Like, I thought this was making Play-Doh. But, like, this is cool. This is not oobleck. Oh my god, it's crackly.
Open the back door, the bird's on the door. Come on, up. Oh, this is a happy bird, man.
But wow. I'm speechless. So I'm gonna put it in its yogurt container where it came from. But I'm gonna store it after. I'm just gonna pop this kind of little lid on it. But yeah, we're gonna get the rest of this glue. And yeah, let's get the rest of this off. But like, guys, subscribe right now because we're gonna be making lots of slime now. When I go to my mum that I made something new, she would just go to the shop and buy me like a bunch of stuff. It's kind of getting hard though, so I just have to knead it and stuff. Our bird's been in a cage for a very long time. Oh, it's getting hard now. Oh, it didn't last very long. I mean, we can put some lotion in it, but that's a bit of a disaster because I really like this. See it? Don't mind my bird, so just like being annoying. But this is actually really nice. Okay, my bird wants to come out. I know. I just say that so they shut up. This is like actual slime. Oh my god, it's like really nice. I'm just doing some ASMR on my leg. It's kind of pokey. Ooh, this is amazing. Alright, we're going to pop this in its container. I'm hoping this doesn't go moldy by tomorrow because, like, we're doing a comparison. Sorry that you can't see it through this. Just need to get as much PVA out. Might have to put some shaving cream in here. Kind of. Yeah, it's a bit of a struggle to get the last little teeny bits out, so I gotta tell Mum that I need more glue. So probably tomorrow we'll get it. Probably. Okay. So, get off my. Oh, it went in my eye. No. So we're training a bird that we have. So I put that much glue in because that's as much glue as I can possibly get out. So we're now going to put in the shaving cream. Not as much because I don't want it to be as thinny. Really that much. Yeah, the shaving cream doubles it. So it's probably going to be like, I don't know. Okay. I possibly could add a teensy bit more of the shaving cream. Just to fluffy to fluff up. I'm probably not going to be posting for a while because I'm going to a private school now. So this term, well, I'm on school holidays, as you people call them in America. Spring break or vacation or something. I'm hoping this activates because I'm going to pop the colour a sort of a mint. So we've got some green paint and some blue paint. So we're just gonna pop that in to make it to glotty satisfy you. Like, I'll add a little bit more green. So that was not a lot. If you're wondering where I get all my supplies from, then Woolworths, Cheaps Chips, Coles, Pharmacy, JT, Discount House, Coles, Woolies, Campbell's, well, the containering. Yeah, that looks really cute. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more blue because I'm very strict about my colors. I need more. And then, yeah, pop some of that. And I'll be doing Etsy maybe, so it's gonna be this much, and it will gladly satisfy you. Just to gladly satisfy you. It's a very pretty colour. I liking what I think. So now we're gonna add in a solution. And yeah, this is the basic activator I use. Because I don't have any an ice cream spoon or something but my slime relation. I'm like, why am I using this bowl? I don't know. I have bowls, what are you doing, Connie? And I'm probably gonna ask my mom if I can get a camera. I feel like this is ready to be kneaded. Nope. No. It's still really sticky. Oh, it's so gooey and stuff. This is actually probably the first time that... Can I please have a moment here? For the first time. Can I have a moment, please? Okay, so... It's a very nice slime. So we're going to do in about a year. 1 year slime versus 1 day old slime. But I have 1 year old slimes from last year. And I have 1 day slimes. I'm probably going to do that in the next video. I don't know. When I get our bowl all empty. All pretty empty. Okay, this is the slime. It's very pretty. But, yeah. If you want a slime collection, because this bottle is up here and I can't probably get it out. We're just going to chuck it in the bin. So, yeah. Sorry that this video has been going for 15 minutes. I have no idea what I'm saying. This is a really pretty color in real life. Let's just focus on this background. Let's just fluffy. Oh, what am I doing? I'm gonna try some tricks on my trampoline. Probably. Okay. Bye guys! I'm joking. We're going to be okay, we're going to do this at this formation. We're going to be doing the fart noises between both. Okay, this doesn't make any fart noises. Oh, okay. Okay, let's just have this. Okay, it's beginning to smell very good. Oh, it's really gross now. I feel like I'm just gonna chop this out because I used quite a bit of glue. Yeah, I did. Yep, I'm definitely throwing this out because, like, can't use it. So, wait a minute, is it coming up here? Scare going. That's we got for 9 quid. We got from Tesco. Okay, this is creepy. So, I'm going to do a part 2 on this bit. But